Okay, again, good day, dear students. So for our third module, Stars and Constellations, this is our Let Us Practice More. And on this video, I will going to introduce to you the Stellar Web, which is an online app. If you're using desktop, computer, laptop, it's very easy for you to access and you can have the full screen of this app. But if you are using Android phone or iOS, do not worry because this is available in your App Store or Play Store. Okay, so let me now start. Okay, so of course you will be provided with the website or the link. So this is the stellarium-web.org. So on the screen, you can see here, this is the application. Okay, so you can observe that we are on the northern horizon. So we have north, east, south, and west part. Okay, now at this part, first is let me introduce to you the settings or the options here or the toolbars, whatever. So in this area, it's a view setting. The planets tonight. So this Stellarium web will give you the information on what time, for example, Jupiter. The planet Jupiter is visible or it will appear on our night sky during this part. Okay, if you can see the black portion and here is the time, 1800 is 6 p.m. Okay, so 6 p.m. And then for the, what's that? Then here's again the picture of the app for the Android and for the iOS. Okay, now click on this third or three lines here to have a full screen. Okay, and then before you're going to start locating the different stars and constellations, kind of look at on the lower left part of the screen. So on our screen, you have here near Tagbak, but you are going to click this one. Okay, so we will be using auto location. So nasaan tayo? Pwede din ito, pwede din ito. So we will choose this one. So yan, nasa Tagum, Philippines na tayo na location. So therefore, yung makikita natin sa horizon or during the night sky using this app is actually our sky here in or visible here in Tagum City. So click the use this location. Yan. And then on the lower right part of the screen naman, you have here, click this one and it's the time. So the time on our laptop is 4:04 p.m. So on the screen, you have your 1850. So parang naka-advance yung time dito. So you have to click on this back to real time. So dapat mag 4:04 p.m. din siya. If you're going to click this, yan. So obviously, it's daytime pa man siya. So yung screen natin is daytime. Okay? So hayag pa siya. Now, if you are going to explore and discover what are the constellations visible or not specifically visible, what are the constellations present? Okay, what are the constellations and specific stars present during this time, like 4:05 p.m. when you are looking at the northern horizon? But since it's daytime, you cannot obviously observe. But using the stellar web, you have these different options sa lower center ng ating screen. So if you're going to see this one, constellation, that one. So lalabas lahat. Now, at 4:06 p.m., if you are in the northern horizon or northern sky sa Tagum City, ito yung constellations na present sa sky. Okay? And since we're done discussing constellations and the different figures on the constellations, then you can actually click on this constellations are. Okay, so those are the images of the different constellations present on our sky or present in the sky at exactly 4:06 p.m. Okay, and then take note, nandyan na si Moon. O sino makagawas dira, kindly look at where's the moon outside. Makikita ba, visible ba sa area ninyo? So if you are in the northern part, then you can actually see the moon. Now, what if you are going to click the third tool here, the atmosphere? Pag i-click mo yan siya, ayan, obviously makikita na yan siya. But take note ha, the time is still 4:07 p.m. Just actually will give you the appearance of the atmosphere. Yan, makikita. So nandito tayo sa northern part. So at 4:07 p.m., the constellations present sa ating sky here in Tagum City is the Andromeda, the Perseus, the Auriga, the Cepheus. And if you're going to, if you want to discover more about this, stars and constellations, just using your mouse or using your, if you're going to use your phone, just i-zoom lang using your fingers. And then since I am using the desktop, yan, I am going to use my mouse, then zoom in. So for example, the Cassiopeia. Okay. So here's the stars. Once you're going to click the word Cassiopeia, click mo yan siya. Yan. Makikita na ito lang yung inclusion ng Cassiopeia. Yan, yung mga grid lines na yan. And then, on the upper part, this will give you the description about this constellation. And the good thing about the Stellarium web is once you're going to click a particular star, then it will give you a description and it will help you identify if that is a star or a constellation. So since Cassiopeia is a constellation, so that's why we have here constellation, also known as the seated queen. Okay, and you have there the visibility 7:13. So visible sa sky at 7 a.m. Okay, then meron dito link to Wikipedia. Okay, so Cassiopeia is a constellation in the northern sky named after the vain queen Cassiopeia, the mother of Andromeda in Greek mythology. Okay, so that's it. So later, we are going to give you the list of stars and constellations that you're going to locate using the Stellarium web. Okay, after that, after the atmosphere tool, the fourth is the landscape. Once you're going to click this, yan, mawawala yung landscape and puro na lang sky appearances ang makikita natin. But just click on the landscape para you can recognize yan. Parang ano siya, in real time, ito yung appearance natin dito sa land area. Okay? And on the next one, we have this grid lines. Yan siya. So, pwede na siyang hindi siya included. I-unclick na lang natin yan siya para hindi kayo malito. Since we are focusing on stars and constellations lang man.